I thought we were done with this crap. But here we go. Not too dead. Alright, so cuffs. Double up cuffs. Oh, I don't want to do it like that. One double lock. Two double lock. The key I want to keep clean. Not too dead, you're a freaking maniac. I don't know how I'm gonna do this. Can't even find a hole. That's my wrist, not the hole. Ah, one side. I just want to say, not too dead, you're demented. This. Oh my God. Oh, got it in there. Oh. That's enough of that. Great, oh, I think that's the dried lube from, lube? Well, that's a Freudian slip. That's the dried lotion from last time. Should I leave that in? I don't know. I probably will. Who gives a damn? All right, that's it for challenge number 2. Outro. This is the mother... Well, let's keep this PG. This is the mother humping outro. Like, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you all have a very nice day.